In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in Wrike. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting out, task linking in Wrike is a great way to streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration. By the end of this tutorial, you'll see just how simple and beneficial this feature can be. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use any browser that you feel most comfortable with, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another. Then, in the search bar, type in Wrike. This will lead you to the main Wrike website where we can get started. Once you're there, you'll need to access your account by clicking on Log In. If you don't have an account, there's a Try Wrike for free option that you can select to create one. For now, let's assume you have an account and proceed with logging in using your credentials. After successfully logging into Wrike, navigate to the task that you want to link. This is the foundational step, so ensure it's the exact task you intend to use. Once you've found the task, open its item view. In the item view, look for the link icon, which is typically represented by a simple chain link symbol. Clicking this icon allows you to copy the task's unique URL, essentially the permalink that will later serve as your linking bridge. Next, head over to the task where you'd like to add the link. This could be part of a project group or a standalone task. Once you've accessed this task, you will want to paste the copied permalink. You can do this either in the description field or directly in a comment. Just position your cursor in the desired field and paste the URL. It's as easy as a quick right-click and selecting Paste, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V for Windows or Command+V for Mac users. Now, this is where Wrike's functionality shines. After pasting the permalink, it doesn't remain as a long string of characters. Instead, it automatically transforms into a clickable title of the task. This title acts as a convenient hyperlink that, when clicked, takes you straight to the linked task. It's a seamless process that enhances navigation and ensures that everything remains interconnected without the clutter of raw URLs. By using Wrike's Permalinks guide, this linking feature becomes not just about creating connections, but optimizing your entire team's efficiency. This straightforward technique helps you enhance collaboration and ensures that everyone involved has quick access to related tasks. Well, there you have it. Linking tasks in Wrike made easy. With these simple steps, you can keep your project management efficient and your team more productive. Thanks for watching, and happy task linking.